He will bring my book tomorrow. එයා හෙට මගේ පොත ගේනවා. He will bring my book tomorrow. She takes her lunch to office every day. ඇය දිනපතා දිවා ආහාරය කාර්යාලයට රැගෙන යයි. She takes her lunch to office every day. She took the pen from her drawer. ඇල්ලාච්චුවෙන් පෑන ගත්තාය. She took the pen from her drawer. My mother keeps her jewellery in her cupboard. මගේ අම්මා ඇගේ ආභරණ අල්මාරියේ තබා ගනී. My mother keeps her jewellery in her cupboard. My father brought fruits from our garden. තාත්තා අපේ වත්තෙන් පළතුරු ගෙනාවා. My father brought fruits from our garden. I bought apples yesterday. මම ඊයේ ඇපල් මිලදී ගත්තා. I bought apples yesterday. I buy food for my family. මම මගේ පවුලට ආහාර මිලදී ගන්නවා. I buy food for my family. I gave my pen to him. මම මගේ පෑන ඔහුට දුන්නා. I gave my pen to him. He takes an umbrella to his office. ඔහු තම කාර්යාලයට කුඩයක් රැගෙන යයි. He takes an umbrella to his office. I met him at the shop. මට ඔහුව සාප්පුවේදී හමු විය. I met him at the shop. Take ගන්නවා. Bring ගේනවා. Buy මිලදී ගන්නවා. Brought ගෙනාවා. Bought මිලදී ගත්තා.